What's up everybody, thanks for checking out the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a squeaky hinge. And as usual, if you like the content, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into this thing. So there's a few different videos out there giving you a few different tips and tricks on how to do this. A lot of them have to do with WD-40, a little bit of oil, some have bars of soap, others have like adjusting the hinge itself, and a lot of those don't work, with exception to adjusting the hinge. But that being said, adjusting a hinge is not an easy thing to do. So there's a product on the market and they're available on Amazon. These hinges are squeak proof. Check the description below. They come in different sizes. So what you're gonna have to do is check the hinge that you've got. Mine happens to be rounded in the corners. They have them in the rounded profile. They have them in the square profile. I'll show you what all the options are here. So they come in the rounded, like I said, and this is a 3-inch up here. There's a 3.5 that comes in the square as well as the rounded. This is the one that's going to fit in my application. There's a 3-inch square, there's black ones, there's white ones, there's all different colors. So check it out in the description below. These come in a 2-pack, and most stores have 2 hinges. Mine happens to have 3. And the one that's squeaky is this middle hinge here. So I'm just going to go ahead and swap him out. And to do that is real easy. There we go. 6 screws. Number 2 Phillips is the bit. Most of the time, sometimes they're Robbies. Anyway, the hinge pops right off, and then it's just a matter of putting the new one on. All right, so there's a noticeable difference between these 2 hinges, and one is that this is a regular hinge, and it's got just a steel pin going through 2 steel hinges, right? And there's that squeak that drives me crazy. This one, the squeak free, it's got a plastic sleeve running through the middle. So it prevents the squeaking, and even though the hinge wasn't installed correctly, which is probably what's creating the squeak in the first place, this one will eliminate it. So all you gotta do is take the other one off, like I said, put this one on. All right, and that's it. So it looks just like a regular hinge. It walks like a regular hinge, it talks like a regular hinge. That's dumb, I'm sorry. Quick flip. The hardest part was waiting for it to come home or come to the house on Amazon. So like I said, links in the description. And as usual, if you like the channel, smash that thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.